Hi, I'm Tim Clauter. I want to introduce you to the MenuSelect control panel for the Hydrovection oven. You've got these three things. I'm going to start up here at the top. Start, stop. We'll press to start and it'll cancel and pause anything that you're cooking or baking, okay? Then we have the cool down key, which indicates cool down cycle. Very important for cooling down when you're going to clean the appliance, okay? The bake more mode. This is one of my favorite, because when you're cooking in a program and you need to add an extra minute or 2 minutes, you press at the end of the bake cycle to add additional bake time in 1 minute increments. Really a great feature. Now the display window here displays time or temperature and other information related to oven functions and or programming. The dial here used to either set point time, programming settings, and used to select program product. Now we'll go over here to temperature key. It's used to set or change the oven temperature. The time key used to set or change the oven time. Now the great feature about this is the hydro, and I'm going to select that right now. This is a mixture of hot air and moisture, and what's fantastic about this is you can have from 0 to 100% humidity inside the Hydrovection oven. Okay, you just select it and you're ready to go. Temperature set and you can load. Now over here I have the hot air mode, okay, or hot temperature key. Again, now select hot air and press your temperature and time and you're ready to go. Now below here is I have additional features that come standard on the MenuSelect control is the fan speed. The fan key here actually allows you to come up here and choose between 4 different fan speeds: gentle, low, high, and turbo. I'm going to go back and select gentle and you press it in. Now it's one of the only cooking appliances that allow you to choose between auto, reversing, and manual. If I do manual, I can select how often I would like the fan speed to reverse. The lowest number is 2 minutes, okay? And you could have auto, press it, and it will automatically reverse every 4 minutes. So this is a great feature that we have on this appliance, okay? Now, if I come down to the lights, here I select the light key and I have 2 halogen lights that will light up so you can see inside the oven at any given time and watch what you're cooking. Great feature. And all of this comes standard. Now in addition to that, we have the vent key. I can push it and open and close this vent, and it'll allow me to release humidity, which helps intensify the browning and adding color to certain things that you might be cooking. Another great feature. Now I'm going to go down to the programming key. Can you see that right here? When I select the programming key, this allows me to enter product programming and save program settings. Okay? You have 50 pre-programmed menus already in every MenuSelect control panel. Okay? Now you have an escape key right here to the right of that. The escape key allows you, while you're programming, to go back 1 step. Definitely an important key to have. The maintenance key, press to enter the manager programming and save program settings. Okay? And it'll also have some service support information for technicians. Now the alphanumeric key that you see right down here has numbers and letters. This is also great for naming your programs, for selecting time and temperature if you don't want to use the central dial. And then over here to the left you'll see the power key. Power key is all keyed up and ready to go. This will allow you to turn your unit on and off, or even have the standby mode. And then over here the last one is the probe key. This allows me to cook with a core temperature probe. Again, that is standard. When I select it, it will allow me, the core probe, to choose between cook and hold, yes or no. It's that easy. Yes, I want to do it. Then all I have to do is select the internal temperature that I would like to cook it to. Okay, in this case I'll go to 165. Okay, and now I'm going to go back down because it's saying plug in the core probe, and can you see this is the core temperature probe that would go into the product that you want to monitor, and then this is the probe connector right here, and it says plug in. Makes it unique because it's on the outside of the unit. Then you put it into your roast and you're ready to go. Okay, now I'm going to take you down to and show you right down here the circuit breaker and the heat cutoff. What's very important for you to remember, sometimes when it's brand new and you're working with the oven, you'll call us up and say it's not working because you'll forget that this is off. Always check to make sure this is on in the morning or every time you go to cook, and then you're ready to go all day long. And now down here at the bottom of the Hydrovection, we have a standard built-in hand shower that comes standard with every single Hydrovection, and we'll go through this in the cleaning portion of this video.